Tommy is early home from school, and he doesn't have a key. Your cleaning lady doesn't have a key. Cousin Rachel from out of town forgot her key. Luckily, your next-door neighbour never got a key. Tommy will be home soon. It's a good thing you can always count on Grandma. Or almost always. But hey, who needs a key? With a brand new ENTR-Lock, you don't need to carry a key. And you don't have to wait home or worry about handing out spares. Because ENTR turns your regular door into a super smart door. The ENTR-Lock will unlock the door for the people you want in. With a smartphone, biometrically, with a remote, or with a code. So people you don't want to let in are kept out. This revolutionary locking system is easily installed on every door to give you total control and total security. And of course, you can still open the door with a regular key. It's just not as fun. The new ENTR-Lock. Enter the future of smart doors.